Hey everyone, Tessa here. First, I want to thank the company for sending me this ring light for this unboxing and review video, so let's dive in. Instruction manual. So we have the aluminum alloy overhead tripod. It feels really sturdy but lightweight. Then there's the 10-inch ring light, which has 144 ultra bright LEDs with adjustable color temperatures from warm to cool light, perfect for any filming setup. It also comes with a heavy-duty desk clamp that fits tables up to 3.75 inches thick. And let's take a look in here. A USB power cable, a Bluetooth remote for hands-free shooting, 2 cord organizers, an Allen wrench. You'll see the Type-C port is right here, so you just plug that in and then plug this into that little plug that plugs into the wall to charge it. This is the phone clip, so you just open it up like this, and you can just place your phone in. It just adjusts to any type of phone. And if you want to film the other way, you just turn it so that you can put the phone in this way. And it goes in really nice and easy, yet it's really secure. I just love how compact this is. It's so little, it takes up very little space. To adjust the telescopic rod, all you do is just move that like that. And you just pull on it, just slide it, keep on going until we get it all the way. There are 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The rotating shaft is used to adjust the angle, so it just goes in one direction, like that, and then back to just straight. Now I'm going to show you how to use the desk clamp. So you just loosen it right here, as much as you need to, and then you just lift, and then place it where you want it, and then tighten it up again. And there it is. Nice and secure. So if I want to film something overhead right here, so I've got it clamped to the side of the counter, it's super easy because everything just moves exactly where you need it to. Well, let's give it a try. So we go down. Okay. Now, this side is the actual light, so you can just turn it. So then it's lighting whatever subject you're filming here. And then this is where the phone would go, but that's not the side of the light, but that's okay because you can just turn it. And of course it's going to be right there. And so I'll show you, put this in here. There we go. There, see, it's all ready to go. So we've got the light lighting the subject. We've got the phone pointing at the subject. So it's just great. It's just everything rotates exactly where you need it to be. So if you need to do an angle over there or over here or up there or maybe up here, it just goes everywhere that you need it to go. It has 3 lighting modes and 5 brightness levels. So to turn it on, you just press and hold, and then it turns on. So, and then just press, lightly to go between the lighting modes, and then press and hold to turn it off. So if you go to just press it when it's off and you go to just press it lightly, it's not going to turn on and you'll think it's not working. So just remember, press and hold, and then you've got it. And then it has these little, if you can see, there's a minus sign and a plus sign. So, and then there's a little button right here that you push to make it brighter. And there are 5 brightness levels. And then if you want to go not as bright, go down. And I'm just going to light this little fake plant here. And right now it's on the cold light. And I'm just going to brighten it up all the way and down. There are 5 brightness modes. I'm pressing a lot more than I need to. Okay, so that's cold. This is natural. And we'll go to the brightest natural light, which is there. And then less bright. And then we've got warm light. And that's the brightest of the warm and less bright. So there you have it. I love it, and I really appreciate the company sending me this. I am going to get a lot of use out of it. I give it 5 stars.